Good afternoon, teens, and welcome back to the Bored Librarian. Today, I'm going to show you how to make painted pencils. So if you haven't already, I highly recommend stopping at the library to pick out your teen takeout kits. All kits have the following materials included. We have 4 pencils, 2 different types of acrylic paint, a paintbrush, as well as a Sharpie. We included a really fine tipped one there. Things that are not included in your kit are newspapers, some painter's tape or washi tape, and some sort of box or thing that you can use as an ink line to have your pencils dry. But that's pretty much all the materials you will need in order to make your painted pencils. So the first step in our project is to obviously protect our workstation, hence the newspaper on my desk. And then you're going to grab your painter's tape or washi tape, whatever tape you have, and cover the ends closer to where the eraser is with the painter's tape, just so when you're doing it, putting the paint on, it's a nice clean edge and you don't want to color that part in. And then you would just repeat the process to all 4 pencils. So the next step in our project is to paint. So as you can see, I am putting a little paint on my workstation, and a little bit goes a long way. So as you can see, I'm only using a little bit of the paint, and I'm going to work with what I have. And with the paintbrush, if you have a edge paintbrush, it's a lot easier to do it. So definitely as slowly as you can and as evenly as you can, paint the pencil. So when you paint your pencils, keep in mind I work from the eraser end to the tip end, and try to make sure it's as even as you can. You don't want any bubbles and you don't want it to drip. So just make sure you're applying the layer of paint evenly. And I recommend waiting 30 minutes to an hour to let it dry for a second coat. But if you don't think your pencil needs a second coat, then I would just skip to the next step. So the final step is to remove the painter's tape or the washi tape that you have, and to basically decide on what you want to write on your pencil. Now, for me, I chose some funny sayings from Doctor Who because when I see this type of blue, I automatically think of the TARDIS, but that's just my geekiness kind of pouring out. However, I picked this craft for the new year to celebrate, a brand new year, a brand new you. So if you want to do some inspirational quotes, or if you want to do some kind of motivational and aspirational affirmations, like go for it. It's your pencil, it's your design. Do what you want and write what you'd like to see on your pencil. And there you have it, folks, the final product of this wonderful project. I hope you had a good time, and as always, thank you for tuning in. Until next time.